Hello everybody, I am your host, Renzo Yao, and today we will showcase to you this elegant 2-story, 4-bedroom modern contemporary home located in Villaggio Real subdivision in San Fernando, Pampanga. This house sits on a 179 square meter lot with a total floor area of 245 square meters. For this property, we have a frontage of 10 meters and it's facing northwest. So as you can see, dito sa fence natin, ginamitan ni architect ng sandstone finish na tiles. Medyo bumabagay siya sa maliit na landscaping natin. Kung makikita nyo sa taas, very evident ang paggamit ni architect ng white color, wooden texture, and gray color. Lalo na to, nagustuhan ko tong column na to. Dahil nabigyan ng emphasis yung exterior detail sa taas, lalo na yung mga white outlines. So, let's proceed inside. So, upon entering, we'll be welcomed by this elevated porch with an area of 7 square meters. We have a plant box, and over here, we have a mini garden. So, maganda to. Pwede niyong lagyan ng upuan na may table. Dahil ang kagandahan dito, meron tayong canopy sa taas. So, shaded tayo. Medyo hindi mainit, lalo na pag umaga. We have a 2-car garage with an area of 28 square meters. So, ang length niya from wall to the gate is 5.3 meters. So, wala tayong magiging problema dito sa clearance ng garahe. Dahil the clearance is 3.3 meters. So, for our flooring dito sa garahe, ang nilagay na tiles is textured tiles na may outline or surrounded ng pebble concrete finish. And over here, dito sa walls natin, ang nilagay na color dito is tornado gray. At makikita nyo naman, may outlet dito. So, ang kagandahan nito is pag nagka-car wash kayo or paminsan may event tayo na kailangan ng maraming tao. So, let's proceed inside. So, before entering, additional information lang. Ang width ng pinto na to is 1 meter and 2.4 meters in height. So here we are inside this gorgeous property, and what I like about this property is that it has a 3.3 meter high ceiling and an open type plan. So let's start with the living area. So let's start with our living area. So by the way, this living area has a size of 20 square meters. And kasama na lahat ng furniture na nakikita nyo dito. By the way, this is custom made by Wooden Concept PH. We have a 5-seater sheepskin bean-shaped sofa. As makikita nyo, usong-uso to ngayon, ang mga bean-shaped sofa. So, pag nakulangan kayo, and pag may additional guest kayo, we have 4 extra ottoman stools na nakatago dyan. So, hindi siya eyesore or nakakasikip ng space. Meron talagang intended space for this tool. So over here, we have 2 large frame windows, a good source of natural lighting and ventilation. Ang wall pala natin is off-white, matte off-white. So over here, we have an accent wall. Buo na siya kung makikita nyo. So dito, wooden textured yung PVC natin. Banda doon mukha siyang fabric pero hindi siya. PVC lang din. Ang kagandahan lang dito is yung combination niya parang nagmumukhang mas social, parang may luxury vibe siya. So ang pinaka-favorite ko dito is yung napakahabang modular media console na may 4 na drawer. So ang dami mong pwedeng ilagay dito. So let's proceed to our kitchen and dining area. By the way, our kitchen and dining area has a total area of 28 square meters with 7 meters in length. Pero mauna muna tayo dito sa kitchen natin. So for our island, so ang ginamit na material dito is sparkling white quartz, tricolor pendant. So meron din tayong 3 bar stool dito. So makikita nyo dito, meron tayong wooden textured na PVC na may LED strips for accent. Sa baba ng kitchen island natin, we have modular cabinets, good for storing kitchen utensils. So, ang finish na to is wooden textured. So, ang ganda ng pagkakabagay nito, nagko-complement sila nung kulay nung countertop. So, credits to the architect. So, over here, we have open shelves for our microwave, our storage. So, ang daming storage dito. Storage for our kitchen utensils. Dito naka-conceal yung ating panel back. These are matte finish white colored laminates. So, over here we have LED strips. So, meron din tayong sliding window dito. Tapos pag nagluluto tayo, nakikita natin yung labas. And good source of ventilation. Same materials ginamit dito, quartz rin to. Sparkling white yung color. So, kita nyo pag naanuhan ng ilaw, medyo kumikintab siya. So, we have our cooktop here, our range hood, Technogas yung brand nila. So, sa baba, we have more. We have 6 layers of open shelves over here, a storage on top. At dito yung provision for a 2-door refrigerator. And to add lang, the clearance from this counter to this counter is 80 centimeters. At dito naman, ang clearance nila is 1 meter. Next is our dining area. So we have a 6-seater dining table over here. Mapapansin nyo, we have a cove ceiling design with fluted panels in the middle. So suggestion ko lang, pwede tayong mag-add ng console table dito or water dispenser. So we have an outlet over here and an additional outlet over here. Also, we have a 3-color Nordic style chandelier. Here we have a sliding door and access towards our garden. We have here our porch. Our porch has a width of 1.8 meters and a length of 6 meters. So approximately nasa 10.8 square meters to or 11. Over here is our garden. Medyo Zen-inspired yung garden natin. Good for relaxation to eh. And maganda rin pag may mga guests kayo, dito kayo magkwentuhan or katapos kumain. This is our service gate pala kasi true lot tong bahay na to. Kung meron kayong mga guests, kung marami kayong guests na may mga dalang cars, pwede sila magpark dito sa likod and over there pwede rin. Maganda rin to kasi kapag emergency, kung may emergency, may sunog or what, banda doon, pwede kayo dito mag-exit. So on my right is the service area. We have here our laundry area and over here is the dirty kitchen. We have a quartz finish counter. Ang laki ng space kasi alam nyo naman, usually dito talaga tayo nagluluto. Dito tayo babad nagluluto. So balik na tayo using our service door. Then let's proceed to our bedroom number 1. So, over here we have our study table or pwede rin siyang gawing vanity table and a shelf on top. Kung mapapansin nyo, nag-iba na din yung kulay ng tiles, naging wooden tiles na siya. We have outlets over here and a switch ng ilaw para hindi na kayo tumayo, para magpatay ng ilaw pag matutulog na kayo. We have our AC unit, a large frame window, na overlooking ang ating garden. So nakaka-relax pag umaga, sarap gumising. Dito naman is our modular wardrobe cabinet. Sabi ni architect, lalagyan daw na ng sabitan dito. To follow po yun. We have 4 layers of drawer. So napakaraming pwedeng ilagay dito eh. Pwede dito yung pants, dito yung mga toiletries, mga underwear, iba-iba. Dito yung mga pang formal wear mo. Then proceed muna tayo sa toilet and bath. Ay bago pala yun, pakita ko lang tong storage na to. So, ang ganda dahil na-maximize tong space na to eh. Ginawang storage ni architect. Ang daming pwedeng ilagay dito tulad ng mga hardwares, mga hindi na ginagamit na libro, shoes. So, dito na tayo sa toilet and bath. So, this toilet has an area of 4.3 square meters. So, meron tayong accent dito na wall, wood accent wall. Actually, lalagyan pa to ng mirror ni architect. To follow po yun. We have our sink over here. Yung sink natin, gawa rin sa quartz. So, we have modular cabinets over here. Pwedeng lalagyan ng toiletries. Dito yung ating toilet and yung shower area na divided through this aluminum frame glass partition. We have our niche over there. Gray, rough textured tiles over here. Sa shower area natin, meron tayong rectangular na concealed floor drain. Tara, diretso naman tayo sa taas. So for our handrails, this is made from wood mahogany, pati yung steps natin. So sa riser natin, 15 centimeters tong height na to. So hindi masyado nakakangalay. Ang width ng stairs na to is 90 centimeters. Dito sa landing, meron tayong storage. Pwede to sa mga shoes. Dito na tayo sa entertainment area with an area of 17 square meters. We have our fluted panels over here. Modular cabinets. Dito rin yung shelf natin. We have an outlet over here. We have a cove ceiling design. So from ground to ceiling, 3 meters high. So over there, kung makikita, no, meron tayong PVC ceiling panels dito. So meron tayong sliding door dito, papuntang balcony. Overlooking pa rin. So diretso naman tayo sa bedroom number 2. So for our bedroom number 2, ang size nito is 11 square meters. So very spacious. We have outlets over here, each side. Meron din tayong switch dito. So again, same nung sa baba. Meron tayong wardrobe dito. Wardrobe cabinet. Parehas na parehas. So over here, pwede tayo maglagay naman ng TV. So meron tayong outlet over here and AC unit over here. We also have, ang lalaki ng window dito eh. So ang ganda talagang source nito ng natural lighting. Ayan. Balik tayo sa entertainment area. Going to our bedroom number 2. Sorry, forgot to mention this door is made of hardwood. And the height of the door is 2.1 meters. So same, wooden floor tiles, 2 outlets each side. Same ng ibang ring mga bedroom eh. Parehas lang yung design. See-through rin. The area of this bedroom pala is 13.5 square meters. So let's proceed to the balcony. So we have our outdoor PVC. May water line din tayo dito para pag maglilinis din na hassle. Para kumuha ng tubig sa loob. So we have our wall lamp, 2 wall lamps each side na ina-accentuate na itong wood textured tiles na ito. Dito naman sa side ng wall na to is ang continuation lang ng PVC panels sa ceiling. So, ang ganda ng design. Parang continuous flow yung datingan niya. Let's proceed to the best part, the master's bedroom with an area of 19 square meters. Again, we have our modular cabinets over here, shelves, outlets for the TV. Nandito yung control natin sa CCTV. We have an 8-camera CCTV at concealed po yung DVR natin. So, ginawa ng modular cabinets para may taguwang DVR dito. Proceed naman tayo sa balcony ng master's bedroom. So, L-shape to. So, ang railings natin is frameless, tempered glass. Pakita natin dito. So, ang daming view. Pwede tayong magkape dito. Pwede tayong maglagay ng upuan dito. So, ang width nito is approximately 2 meters. So, ang dami kang pwedeng ilagay dito. So, balik tayo sa loob. So, we have a queen size bed. Meron tayong outlets dito. Switch para sa ating pin light. Over here is a switch para sa pendant light. So, kung mapapansin nyo, each side meron ding maliit na window. Awning siya na may screen. Meron din tayong AC unit over here. So, proceed tayo dito sa walk-in closet. Dito sa walk-in closet, meron tayong sliding window. At least para may natural lighting. Di na natin kailangan magbukas ng ilaw. We have our see-through cabinet, modular cabinet. Sabi rin ni architect, isasama na rin dito yung sabitan. Di pa nalagay eh. So, we have extra storage on top. Lalagyan ng mga sapin sa kama. So, dito we have our shelves na may accent light. So let's proceed to the master's toilet and bath. So we have here our fluted panel. We have an outlet over here para sa mga hairdryer natin. We have our undermount sink. Same materials, quartz, modular cabinets with shelves. Okay na okay itong lalagyanan ng mga tuwalya. So ang area pala nitong toilet and bath na to is 4.5 square meters. Over here we have our sliding window. So maganda, good source of natural lighting. And maganda to dahil hindi babaho yung CR. We have our toilet. Sa likod niya is wooden tiles. Sobrang ganda. We have here our 2-door sliding shower enclosure. Meron tayong niche dito. Lalagyan ng sabon at shampoo. We have our 4-in-1 shower set over here.